Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's jump right into solving today's problem, which definitely wins an award for the longest title ever. Here is the problem description from the site, but let's break down these rules visually. We are given a list of numbers, and we always start our check right at the very first number. We look for a streak starting from that first spot where every number counts up by exactly 1. The moment that pattern breaks, we take that valid starting chunk and add all those numbers together. Finally, starting from that sum, we just count upwards until we find a number that does not exist anywhere in our original list. If any part of the problem description itself doesn't quite make sense yet, drop a comment below right now and I'll clarify it for you. As always, we will tackle the logic using Python first, and I will show the code for other languages at the end. The first approach in the editorial is straightforward simulation, where we just do exactly what the problem asks. After finding our total, we use a hash set, so we can instantly look up if a number exists in our list. Here is the full code for this simulation approach. Let's break it down into smaller steps. But before we step through it, remember you can copy-paste this exact code from the leetcodeunlock.com link in the description. We begin by setting our running total to the very first item in the list, since a prefix always starts there. Then, we use a handy Python tool to loop through the list, grabbing pairs of adjacent numbers one by one. We check if the second number in our pair is exactly one larger than the first, and if it is, we add it to our total. If the sequence is broken, meaning the next number doesn't follow the pattern, we instantly jump out of the loop. Next, we take our entire original list and convert it into a set, which makes searching for numbers incredibly fast. Finally, we just keep adding 1 to our total, until we land on a number that our set doesn't have, and that is our answer. This logic handles edge cases gracefully, like if we are given a list with only a single number inside it. Our total starts at that single number, the loop skips entirely, and we just count up to the next available integer. The editorial also mentions a second way, taking advantage of the fact that the streak forms a simple mathematical sequence. Because it counts up by 1, we only need to figure out how many numbers are in the streak and then plug them into an equation. Here is the full code for that formula-based approach. Notice how instead of keeping a running total inside the loop, we are now just counting how long the sequence gets. Once we have that length, we add the first number and the last number of the streak together, multiply by the length, and divide by 2 to get our sum. After finding the sum with math, we do the exact same set lookup as before to find the missing integer. In terms of performance, both of these approaches are basically identical under the hood. The time complexity is big O of n, because finding the streak and populating the hash set both just require scanning the list. The space complexity is order n, because we create a brand new hash set that holds every single item from the original list. Just a quick heads up, I actually use AFI to generate these tutorials to help myself study, and I am trying out this faster, visual format. Please let me know down in the comments if you prefer these rapid micro slides, and remember to ask any questions you have about the problem while you are down there. Alright, as promised, let's take a look at the code written out in a few other popular languages. Here is the simulation approach translated fully into Java. Next up, here is the exact same logic written out in C++. And finally, here is how you would implement this solution in JavaScript. A great lesson to take away from this problem is just how powerful hash sets are when you need to repeatedly check if an item exists. It also shows off how useful the break keyword is for bailing out of a loop early, saving unnecessary processing time. Before we finish up, I want to mention my secondary channel called Leetcode Unlocked, where my goal is to eventually cover literally every problem on the platform. If you want to help support that goal and keep these videos ad-free, consider donating at buymeaboba.com/leetcode daily. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.